Hello and welcome back to the Johnny G's Adventures channel. I'm Johnny G. Today, or should I say tonight, I got some fireworks. It's July 2nd, 2021. I got my little personal stash of some small fireworks. So tonight I'm gonna blow something up. Let's see what we got. We got the barn burner. We're gonna take the barn, we're gonna burn it down. Come with me, check it out. Let's blow up some fireworks. Yeah. Okay, we got a nice, beautiful evening. Just dark enough to set off some fireworks. I got some fire. And we're going, time to light it up. We got the barn burner. Here we go. Let's light this sumbitch. Here we go. Yeah, not too bad. Back up a little bit. Yeah, not too bad. The barn is definitely burned. The barn is burning. That's awesome. See ya.